Hey, thanks for checking out the demo of Clients Nest. Now let me show you in just 2 minutes flat how Clients Nest software platform is about to become a major game-changing tool in your business that's going to get your business overbooked with clients. Now let me just log in into the platform. With Clients Nest, you'll be able to create smart and high-converting funnel forms capable of turning website visitors, leads, and prospects into long-lasting clients in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create a new form or select one of our high converting templates available inside Clients Nest. Now in Clients Nest, you can add as many steps to the funnel as you wish. So for example, let me just drag the first 2 here, right? And let's just drag another one. All right. Inside each step, you can set your service or package pricing and let the smart software generate the price estimation at the end, and that's depending on the chosen options in the funnel to seal the deal and get clients closed twice as fast. And it comes without saying that Clients Nest is one of the most advanced funnel builders out there, which allows you to actually have all these options set and let the software do all the calculations of the price at the end to seal the deal on your behalf. Now, once you are happy with the funnel and all the steps has been filled in, we're gonna jump into the second step, which is activating the smart client closing funnels by simply copy-paste a single line of code on any website platform out there. In order to do that, let me go back to my forms. I'm gonna use the previous one I've made. And all I have to do in order to enable these smart conversion-focused funnels on my client's website or on my personal website is to simply copy this line of code. Yes, it's that simple, and just add this single line of code on any of your pages, website, and transform it, a simple presentation website, into a fully certified client closing machine. And let me show you exactly how these funnels are going to look on your website. So this one is for a video marketing service. I'm trying to sell these to my clients. Now let me just get started here. We have the introduction option. Now, depending on the options that I choose here, the price is going to be calculated at the end of the funnel and send the estimation to customers. So let me just select a long video. I'm going to hit next. Now, depending on the previous choice, the next choice is going to be crafted specially for clients who needs a long video sales letter. So for example, I'm going to go with 50 minutes video marketing video creation. Next step, and at the end of the funnel, depending on the choices that I've made up until this point, I'm going to get the final cost and the final estimation for the service price. And now customers can insert their email. They can even opt to send me a custom message, and all they have to do is just send us our order. And boom, it's that simple. The third step is actually getting yourself overbooked with clients and seal client deals on a complete autopilot without any sales experience. Once they go through the funnel and they place the order, you're gonna be able to view your orders for each funnel here. And as you can see, all of these customers will be stored here with a reference number and everything that you need. And if you view the order, you're also going to see exactly the needs of each customer. So you don't have to spend time not knowing their budget, not knowing what they need, and not knowing all the details in order to sell your digital marketing services. You should let Clients Nest smart funnels to do all the selling for any and all digital marketing services out there. Whatever you're trying to sell, video creation or video marketing, search engine optimization, social media management, website creation and design, paid advertising, reputation management and services, and the list can go on. Take a shortcut and seal deals, close clients, and book agency clients appointments even if you have little to no experience in selling online. If you're a digital marketer, agency owner, consultant, or you just want to make more clients in your business, Clients Nest is a must-have in your marketing arsenal. Oh, and I almost forgot, Clients Nest also is highly customizable, so you can go ahead and change almost every step of the way, every part of the funnels. You can just fill in the blanks here with the general settings, and you get to change all the text information on the funnels. You're also going to get the email sending and customer invoicing, final step, details to be filled out, And you can even customize Client's Nest smart funnels to fit your brand and your colors right inside the form settings. So we made it really simple for everyone to start creating smart, high converting funnels and sell digital marketing services to businesses around the world. So make sure you take advantage of our special lunchtime low price and secure your account before the next price spike. This is your friend and marketing expert Adrian, and I look forward in seeing you inside the members area in just minutes from now.